And it is official. There is a blizzard. Look, the scene here will tell you. Look over here, and you're right. That is Keith Lopez doing a yeoman's job on the camera. That's a plow truck that is stuck in the snow. And guess what? It's one of two. How about over there? There's another one. Like, it really is intense. The National Weather Service confirming that there are blizzard conditions in Suffolk County. What that means, Stacey Ann knows this all too well, is that we have sustained winds of 35 miles an hour or more and visibility of a quarter mile or less for 3 hours or more. Look at that snow. I'm going to back up a bit. Yeah, see how it's got that kind of flow? That's what we're talking about. This is a blizzard. Back there, you can see a big plow truck. Yeah, those are the ones that are managing to keep the roads somewhat clear. But really, when we tell you you need to do exactly what you're doing and stay home, watch us be out here, that's why. Because if these trucks can't get around, you definitely can't. These are the conditions that we're talking about. And guess what? It's going to get more challenging throughout the evening. Let's have a listen to what the county executive, Steve Bellone, said earlier today about what lies ahead.
We're going to continue to see snowfall happening throughout the day. And then the plow operators are going to be working through the night. So now this will be 2 nights. I would not be surprised if we were out a third night, given one of the difficult factors of this storm, and that is the low temperatures.
And yes, with the low temperatures, guess what? These conditions that you see in the video are only going to get worse, because especially on the side roads and small streets, you've got ice underneath that snow that develops and gets worse. So that's why the county executive is saying they're looking to Monday for a clear out, not tomorrow. Monday. And in parts of Suffolk County here, we're talking 2 feet of snow. And interestingly, the drifts are incredible. So some of these drifts are 4 or 5 feet high, which means in some places the snow looks like it's blown away. Let's come back here live to give you some sense. Right over here, for instance, you've got the drifts, right? But right here, I can see some blacktop. You can see some blacktop because the wind is that strong. It's blown all of this snow over. The bottom line, you are doing the right thing, staying at home, staying warm, staying protected. We lost count of the number of cars that we've seen stranded on the side of the road, and that is something you just don't want to have happen to you. Fortunately, we were able to help some of the crews dig some of these folks out. We'll talk more about that and much more about these blizzard-like conditions, these blizzard conditions, coming up on the Pix 11 News at 5 o'clock and with updates throughout the day. Once again, stay safe, stay home, you see why.